The good HP Omen 17 comes in a wide range of configurations, most of which offer good graphical bang for your buck. The bad, the 4K variant has poor battery life, no option for an NVIDIA GeForce 1080 GPU. The bottom line, it's not the most powerful gaming laptop out there, nor the slimmest one, but it's among the best combinations of price, screen size and performance. The 17-inch HP Omen hits the sweet spot. There are laptops with greater graphical grunt, but they are mostly either heavier or more expensive. There are thinner, lighter laptops, but they are mostly either less powerful or, yet again, more expensive. The HP Omen succeeds because it crams impressive power into a relatively light machine for a cost that's a bit lower than most of its competitors. Unlike its 15-inch little brother, the 17-inch HP Omen can be configured with an NVIDIA GeForce 1070 graphics card. A GeForce 1050 will play the games of today, a 1060 will let you dabble in VR. The powerful 1070, though, is a better bet for the games of tomorrow, and the 2 or so years that follow tomorrow. There's another step beyond that, the NVIDIA 1080, but that's where prices really start to go up. That, plus a 7th generation Intel i7 processor, comes in a machine that weighs 6.3 pounds, 2.8 kg. Not light, but on the lighter side for a 17-inch laptop. Many of its peers weigh in excess of 7 or 8 pounds, with some beasts like the EVGA SC17 in double-digit territory. The NVIDIA 1070 packing Omen starts at $1,799, £1,799 in the UK and $3,199 in Australia. That's without luxuries like a 4K screen, but it's also considerably lower than the price of many comparable laptops, which often start at $2,000 and above. The model we reviewed was the souped-up 1070 version with a 4K display for a total of $2,339. It's $3,499 in Australia, but HP doesn't currently offer the 1070/4K combo in the UK.